Today we are making BBQ Pulled Pork Sliders on the Skottle. My name is Gavin. Let's get started. So first we're going to get started with coleslaw. We're going to use green cabbage, red cabbage, carrots, and then we're going to set that aside, and then we're also going to cut the onion as well, and then we'll get started on cooking the pulled pork. So now mix everything together, and then once we're done with this, we're going to set it off to the side, let it soak, and then we're going to be cooking the pulled pork next. Apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, mayo. We're actually going to double this because we made quite a bit of coleslaw. Salt, pepper, mix. Alright, so now we're going to start with the pulled pork. I'm going to turn it on medium-low, and if you're outside, make sure this wind guard is facing the wind. I'm going to put some butter on it, get the Skottle nice and oiled up. You can use olive oil, whatever kind of oil you guys want. So we're going to be using some Jack Daniel's pulled pork. We store-bought this, but if you guys want to be fancy and make some yourself, you totally can. So with the pre-made stuff, all we're gonna do is pretty much reheat this. It's already cooked and stuff, so we're gonna make sure that it's nice and warm for everyone. Shouldn't take much longer. What I'm gonna do next is actually put a lid on it and keep that heat in the pork with it, so. All right, so now that the pulled pork's done, we're gonna move it off to the side right here. And we're actually gonna grill up some onions too. And for the onions over here, we're gonna do it on a high heat. We wanna get those nice and hot. So just as we mix the onions and the pulled pork, I'm gonna put some of the sliders on the side of it, warm them up. And then once we're done with warming them up, then we're good to go and serve. If you like this recipe, you can find it in the description. You can find us on Instagram and TikTok at TemboTusk. Sign up for our monthly newsletter and get access to more recipes and event info. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. My name's Gavin. Get outside and get that Skottle cooking.
Okay.
Sit here. Do you like this angle? Is this a bad angle?
No, this is fine.
Bad angle. I don't like this though. Okay. Can any of you guys juggle?
Juggle.
I'm sick if I could like. Okay. More?
I have no idea.
You know the girl that's like 2 shots of vodka? Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, go.
Jamie, where's the frame at? Right here?
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
It's on. I need to put the butter.
Hold on.
More pepper?
You want to taste it?
Yeah, I was gonna
See
say.
if it needs more like mustard or something.
Too much mustard.
Oh really?
It
Does
tastes
it just taste like mustard?
Yes, it just tastes like mustard.
Okay, I have more mayo then.